welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek into this month's Spellbinders clubs. So I have all of the clubs apart from the stencil of the month and the large die of the month to show you. So we're going to start with the small die of the month, and I'm always surprised that this is called the small die of the month because it's got so much to it. And this one's really cute. I can't wait to play with this. You've got all these beautiful flowers and a boot and all these stems, so you could use the flowers individually to make like a bouquet or something, or just to kind of cover your card, but also you can create a boot or a couple of boots and have the flowers coming out of that, which is really cute for a card as well. So then we've got the stitching die of the month too, and I think this is going to be so beautiful. This piece cuts out, and it's kind of, you can see there's pieces that cut out of this, so it'll make quite a delicate kind of frame with like the leaves and pieces to stitch. Then you've got this flower, which you could put through with this. So you could put all of these pieces in together and have almost like a one layer card. But then you could also create the frame and maybe put a sentiment in it. You could cut this piece out and have that layered up. You could also cut this piece out and have it layered on top of the flower, or you could have it cut into the flower. There are loads of different ways to use this, so I think that's really nice that they've made it so versatile. I can't wait to have a go with it. So then we've got the better press of the month, which is this, which you get wishing you a lovely day, sending you a fluttering hello, the flower and the bird. You can see what size they are on the back, and then you've also got the die to cut out the bird, and then there's also an add-on piece here, and I believe that this is what you get free each month if you buy all of the kits in the big bundle, which, by the way, if you do that you save loads of money if you are wanting them all. Then you also get a freebie, and I believe that this is the freebie for this month. So you get another bird, which works really nicely because then they kind of face into each other, and you get Hello Spring, and there's a die for each of those as well. And just so as you know, so all these clubs you can sign up for from the 6th of the month until I think it's the 27th, and then you'll get that month's kit. You can sign up for each club separately, so you could just pick one or two, or like I say, there is a bundle which I'll link below because I can't remember the name of the big bundle, that's everything and a freebie and a big discount. So if you sign up this month before the 27th of February, you'll get the kits that I'm showing you now. And also you can cancel at any time, so if you just like one particular club but you don't want it next month, then you can always order it and cancel it before the next payment comes out. So this is the stamp and die set of the month, and this is so beautiful. It's this like lily in the arch, and this perfectly pairs with these essential arch dies. You can see it fits really nicely with those. You might have seen me using these quite a bit recently. That's not part of this month's clubs, but they are available from the Spellbinders website. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of a card that I've already made with this. So you can see that this actually cuts out all the gaps around the flower as well. It's really beautiful. And this card will be coming up in one of my videos later in the month. And then you've also got the dies to cut out all of the sentiments as well. So there's kind of quite a lot of spring and Easter sentiments there. Things like celebrate new beginnings, spring greetings, happy Easter, spring blessings. Then you've got more general things like thanks for your friendship, you're in my thoughts, live life in full bloom. So then we've got this gorgeous like Easter egg embossing folder, which is so pretty. And it's got like the Easter eggs and the flowers. So that one was the 3D embossing folder of the month, and then this one's the normal embossing folder of the month. And it's just really nice floral pattern. So then I've got the Glimmer of the month kit, which comes with this champagne foil. So you've got this large daffodil hot foil plate, and then you've got You Brighten My Day and Sending Easter Blessings. So you've got the two foil plates, and you've got the dies to cut the sentiments out as well. So I really like ones like this where you can fill a whole card with the plate. And then last but not least, you get this wax seal stamp. So this is the wax seal of the month. So you get these beautiful sage green fern wax beads, and then this lovely lily of the valley wax seal stamp. And you can see there how pretty that is. So that's all of the clubs that I received this month. Like I say, there's 2 more that I don't have, so check them out as well. And then I'll link the full caboodle below as well, which has every single kit in it, plus that extra gift. So I really hope that you enjoyed that little sneak peek. Let me know which is your favourite kit below. And if you're getting any of them, make sure that you craft along with me. I'll have a video for every one of those kits that I've just shown you over the next couple of weeks. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown today are linked in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.